Hi guys, PJ with Expand Realty in Lubbock. Today I want to talk about open houses and how effective they are for a home seller. Based on National Association of Realtors survey, only 7% of the houses got sold either on the open houses or yard sign. You do the math, 3.5% in average, the houses got sold in actual open houses. Who's gonna show up to the open house? Nosy neighbors, people that they have nothing to do on the weekends, and people that they like to look at the houses. And we are here as a real estate agent using that open house term to get your listing that we do a lot for you. Well, open houses is really good for a real estate agent like me to stand out there and wait for buyers to come in. And if they don't have any representation from another real estate agent, we can work with them and sell them a home. But again, 3.5% of the houses actually get sold in the open houses. So instead of us doing that, I stopped doing open houses and I started focusing on digital marketing strategy that we put your house in front of thousands and thousands of the buyers that they're really interested in your home. You know how many hours our video has been watched in average? Over 80 hours. That's a lot of open houses that I have to throw to get that many exposure for your home. You do the math. Is it worth it for you to leave the house 2 hours on the weekends or maybe 4 hours on the weekends? Or is it better to be in front of thousands and thousands of the interested buyers that they're really interested in your home? If you have any question, please reach out to me. I'll be more than happy to help you out. And please let me know if I can have your home in our video show. Thank you so much. Have a blessed day.